You being cute. You're being cute. Angel, where's Tyler? Where is he? Has he got chicken?
Angel.
Has Tyler got chicken? Where's he? What's he got? Where's Tyler? Where is he? Where's Poppy? Where's Poppy? Is Poppy coming? Is he? You want Poppy? What about Nanny? What do you want? Where's Poppy? Poppy. You love your Poppy, don't you? You do? How much? Where's Poppy? Poppy. Why do you love Poppy so much? He doesn't even talk to you. Where's Nanny? Is Nanny coming? Where's Nanny? What excited? Nanny. Where's she? Has she got chicken? Or has she got chocolate? Chocolate.